In the name of Allah, the Merciful, the Beneficent. Praise be to the Lord of all worlds. ISTRT. The speech of 14th of August, Independence Day of Pakistan, was actually a dream of Allama Iqbal which he expressed during the talk of 23rd of March 1940 Resolution Day of Pakistan. His poetry and the way of talk motivate the Muslim youth and bring them under one banner with the acclamation of a separate country for Muslims. His speech gives an ideology to the Muslims of subcontinent about to live with indecently according to the Islamic rules and regulations. Before the achievement of Pakistan, all the Muslims were living a life like a slave under the impolite of Hindus and British. British rules over the subcontinent over hundreds years, but they were against Islam and were admirer of Hinduism. Islam and Hinduism can never be merged together, so it was very ironical for Muslims to survive in these circumstances. So that is why Muslim put their demand for conducting a separate place where they can exist under Islamic school of thoughts. In the acquisition of Pakistan there is one named Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, which is the most highlighted, and not only in history but also in the minds of British and Hindus. He did a great job to aware the youth about to get independency, and our leaders realize them about the importance of unity, education and sacrificing. There are many leaders who participate their services to boost the passion and zeal in the blood of Muslims, youngsters, elders and even child. Each and everyone comes under the flag of unity to achieve the separate country which the forfeit of lives, times, and even there are many peoples who even don't care of their life. In results on Friday 14th of August, 2017 Muslims were awarded with a new homeland on the map of world with the named as Pakistan. Since that day till date, every year we are celebrating this day as Jashn-e-Azadi Pakistan, which is also known as the Yawm-e-Azadi-e-Pakistan. Muslims not only in Pakistan but all over the world used to arrange special celebrations to express their happiness and devotions towards those sacrifices which their forefathers give to achieve their independence. Government has announced a general holiday on this day and people used to invite their relatives and cook special foods. Youngsters decorates their homes and streets with Pakistani green and white flag. Special speeches and programs are arranged. That is why I have also tried to congregate my words for Yawm-e-Azadi speech in Urdu. 14th August Independence Day speech of Jashn-e-Azadi Pakistan.